In this video, I'm going to share how my net worth crossed the $1 million mark by the time I was 30 years old. I'm also going to share some learning lessons along the way and the one huge thing that I would have done differently if I knew what I know today. My name is Brian Noah. I'm a real estate investor and a coach, and also the author of Nail Your Niche. I help coaches and consultants grow their businesses online. If you're interested in becoming an online coach, this book is the first foundational step. You can grab a copy of this completely free at nailyourniche.net. So I started out in corporate America. I was pretty unhappy there for a few years and ended up quitting and just getting a job at a grocery store so I can clear my head, find out what's next. That's where I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it got me all hyped up about creating passive income. I met a mentor at that grocery store who flipped houses, and he took me under his wing very slowly over the course of 7 years. I grew a decent sized real estate investing business. We were doing over 100 deals per year, and we owned close to 40 rental properties. And it was the equity that I had in that property portfolio that pushed my network over that $1 million mark. Now, I worked very hard during that 7 years to build my business, but I also caught lightning in a bottle because I just happened to be in Nashville, Tennessee, which happened to be one of the hottest markets in this last real estate cycle. The values went way up, and that was the other thing that I got lucky on, is that we've never had a real estate bull market quite like the one we just had. So one of my learning lessons was that success not only comes from hard work and persistence, but it also comes from being at the right place at the right time, and sometimes you just get lucky. But here's the bigger learning lesson that I had. Once I had achieved financial freedom, I had more money than I needed, I honestly felt a little empty with the work that I was doing. I didn't want to just continue to acquire more houses or flip more properties. I wanted to do something meaningful. I wanted to make a difference in people's lives. I wanted to stretch my creativity. I wanted to mentor people, coach people, write books. I just wanted to share what I learned because it was honestly kind of lonely sitting around all day when all my buddies were at work, and I just wanted more people to join the party and be like, you don't have to drive through traffic to go sit in a cubicle just to earn money. There's a better way. So I shut down my flipping business. My heart just wasn't in it anymore, and I started to coach other people. And pretty quickly, I actually started to make good money in my coaching business as well. But the crazy part is it didn't feel like work. I was going to the coffee shop and writing books and recording videos like this one and emailing the people on my email list, recording another podcast episode, doing a Zoom call to work with my coaching clients. And it was kind of hard to believe that I was making 6 figures with this type of a business where I'm literally just creating things, sharing, helping people. And to this day, I have so much fun with this business. It doesn't feel like work. It's just my life's mission, and I really love it. So my biggest learning lesson was if I could go back in time and I had a crystal ball, instead of starting a real estate business that I would ultimately quit because it had nothing to do with what was on my heart, it was just about me making money, I would have started the coaching or teaching business somehow, some way from day one, and I would have been building that up all this time. And had I done it that way, I would have started a business that I would never want to quit. So I'd have the benefit of consistency over years and years of doing something. And so that's what I advise people who are like, I want to have rental properties like you, Brian. I'm like, do you really want to, shave off 10 years of your time that you have in your career just focusing on something that's only about money? It's just a means to an end. Or do you want to find out what you're really passionate about, what you want to do for the next 30, 40, 50 years consistently, and go ahead and go all in on that thing? It has the power and the potential to really explode and scale because your heart's in it and you're going to do it consistently over the long term. You're going to bring all of you to that thing, and ultimately it's going to shoot off some extra cash that you can then put into investments like real estate. So in summary, make sure that the way you earn income is what is aligned with your heart. And then after that, optimize to earn as much as you can, and then take the extra and invest it. If you like this video, I highly suggest you check out this video called My Top 4 Passive Income Ideas for 2023, where I share 4 ways that you can make income while being aligned with what you love to do and with sharing the message you want to share with the world. Check that video out right here. Thank you guys for watching.